but I wish I knew before upgrading my PC. These 2024 must-haves will blow your mind. First up, the RTX 5090 graphics card. It's a game changer with ray tracing and AI-powered performance. Say goodbye to lag and hello to stunning visuals. Next, upgrade your storage with a Gen 5 SSD. Super fast load times and ample space for all your games. No more waiting around. Thinking about memory? Go for 32 GB of DDR5 RAM. Multitask effortlessly and enjoy smoother gameplay? Trust me, you'll feel the difference. Don't forget about cooling. Invest in an AIO liquid cooler to keep your system chill during those intense gaming sessions. No more overheating worries. Lastly, the new Ryzen 9 7950X CPU. Beastly performance for both gaming and content creation. It's like having a turbocharger for your PC. There you have it. Upgrade your rig with these top picks and dominate 2024 like a pro. Happy gaming!